A monumental moment for the Indian diaspora in North America. The tallest idol of Lord Ram ever installed on the continent was unveiled this Sunday at the Hindu Heritage Center in Mississauga, part of the Greater Toronto Area. The unveiling saw over 10,000 devotees and dignitaries gather in spiritual celebration. The event was attended by a host of political leaders, including Minister of Women and Gender Equality Rishi Valdez, Treasury Board President Shafqat Ali, and Minister of International Trade Maninder Sidhu, who greeted the crowd with the spirited Jai Shri Ram. Also present was Andrew Scheer, interim leader of Canada's opposition Conservative Party in the House of Commons, alongside members of Parliament, provincial ministers, local politicians, and India's acting Consul General Kapidwaja Pratap Singh. The installation fulfilled a 4-year long project made possible through the generosity of Indo Canadian business leader Laj Prasher. The idol, fabricated in Delhi with fiberglass over a steel superstructure, was assembled on site by local Canadian craftsmen. The idol stands 51 feet tall, not including its 7-foot pedestal and a chhatri or umbrella that will be added in the future, pending official permits. It's built to withstand winds of up to 200 kilometers per hour and is expected to last over a century. Founder and head priest Acharya Surinder Sharma Shastri, who led the ceremony, said the inspiration came from the inauguration of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya in January 2024. He described the moment as not just a celebration but a spiritual gift to the community, a reminder that righteousness must always guide our path. Kushgar Sharma, principal organizer of the event, described the day as truly remarkable. To witness more than 10,000 people come together in devotion and unity for the unveiling of Sri Ram's Murti was a proud moment, not just for our faith, but for all Canadians who value cultural harmony and spiritual heritage, he said. In a poetic nod to faith meeting modernity, planes landing at Toronto Pearson International Airport now descend over the site, where the towering idol of Lord Ram will soon greet passengers as one of the first sights of the city. The unveiling of the tallest Lord Ram statue in North America marks a symbolic chapter in the global Hindu community's journey, a blend of tradition, resilience, and diasporic pride on Canadian soil. For more such stories celebrating faith, heritage, and community across the globe, subscribe to the Indian Express YouTube channel. Stay connected with the world with us.